Make sure that you speak loud because I was there and I couldn't hear you, okay? Alright, you may start.
Hi everyone! How was your day today? Very busy as usual. I did my English test today and it was so easy. I think I will get a 10. That's wonderful. Good for you. I finished all my homework and now I can play. Can I use the iPad? No, read. Your teacher said that you must read every day. Come here. I want to talk to you about our summer holidays. Yes, great. Shh. Calm down, children. What are we going to do then? Well, somebody in the school told me that these children have to improve their English. So let's go to an English-speaking country. How about the UK? We've been doing a project of the United Kingdom, and there are lots of interesting places to visit. That's a great idea. It's not so far, and maybe we can travel by car. By car? And how we are going to cross the sea? We will find out a travel agency. You will see. Why don't we go tomorrow afternoon to the travel agency? How exciting! I can't wait to tell my friends. Only if you promise to do your homework before we go. Okay, Mom. Good afternoon. May I help you, please? Yes, we are the Garcia's family. We want to book our summer holidays. Please, sit down. Do you have any ideas? Would you like to travel abroad? Italy, France, Germany? Yes, we want to practice our English. So we would like to go to the United Kingdom, but we don't know exactly where. Where is the United Kingdom? Let's see the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is situated on the northwest of the Roman continent, between the North Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. The official name of the United Kingdom is United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The four capitals that made up the UK are Scotland capital, Edinburgh, Wales capital, Cardiff, England capital, London, and Northern Ireland capital, Belfast. The Union flag was made up of the England flag and Scotland flag. That was the original Union flag. And in 1801 they added Ireland flag. So they did the current Union flag. And the Wales flag isn't in the Union flag because it was a red dragon.
Very good. And what was the year and the date of the Union flag when the United Kingdom was made? In what year? 18?
1801.
Very good. The next one.
In the UK are 59 million of inhabitants.
Inhabitants.
We call the people of the UK British people.
Very good. You can tell me about the royal family.
The Queen's name is Elizabeth II. She was born on the 21st of April. She has four sons.
Children.
Children. She was married to Prince Philip, and the eldest son is Prince Charles.
Very good. Typical food and drink.
And the typical food are roast chicken, fish and chips, and pork.
And pork. And what do they usually drink at tea time in the afternoon?
Yeah.
What do they drink?
Tea.
Tea. Very good. What about the most popular sports, Natalia?
There are cricket, football, lawn tennis, rugby, and golf.
Very good. And the most important tennis tournament? What's the name of it?
Wimbledon.
Very good. And can you tell me about a very famous sport event?
Football is the most popular sport in the UK. The FA Cup is a very old tournament. The royal mascot is a
or sailing? Rowing or sailing both ways?
Sailing.
No, rowing. Rowing. Okay, you may sit down. Let's see England. Okay, capital of England.
The capital of England is London.
Very good. How many people live in London?
London lives in 7 million people, and England with 1 million people.
Very good.
Most
What?
important places to
Whoa.
visit in England are the Buckingham Palace, the Alumnas Towers, the Granada Studios, the Science Museum, and
That's it. Okay. What are the Granada Studios, Marta?
the Granada Studios are studios that they make films.
Film. Very good. And what about Alton Towers? What is it?
The Alton Tower is an amusement park.
Very good. And what are the most important colleges, Emma, in England? Cambridge. And the other one? Martha, can you help her?
Oxford.
Okay, the patron of England.
The patron of England is St. George. We celebrated the 23rd of April.
Very good. And what is the emblem of England? It's there behind Bath. The red?
A red rose.
A red rose. Very good. And the longest river?
The longer river is Windsor.
Very good. Let's see the next country. Wales. Capital of Wales.
The capital of Wales is Cardiff. There are about 3 million of inhabitants in Wales.
Inhabitants. Very good.
Until 1999, Wales was ruled by England. It was the first city to be considered part of the United Kingdom. The Cardiff Castle has a column that is 2,000 years old.
The walls are 2,000 years old. Very good.
In Wales, they speak English and Welsh.
Very good.
People from Welsh, Welsh. Two of the most important places to visit are Snowdonia. That is the highest mountain in Wales, that is called Snowdon, and the Cardiff Castle that is situated in the center of Cardiff.
Very good.
The Wales flag is white and green, and in the middle there is a red dragon. The most popular sport in Wales is rugby. The patron of Wales is St. David, and we celebrate the 1st of March. The national emblem of Wales is the apple. It is the apple. It is a flower with the petals yellow and the middle orange.
Thank you very much. Let's see the next country. Scotland.
The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. Scotland is in the north of England.
What do we call the people from Scotland?
There are 5,5,1800 people in Scotland.
And how do we call the people from Scotland?
Scottish.
Very good. Let's see the next one.
The places we can visit in Scotland are the highest mountain in all the United Kingdom, that is called the Ben Nevis. In the Highlands there is the Loch Ness, where the legend of the mystery monster is there. We can visit also Edinburgh and Glasgow.
Very good.
We can also visit the festivals of Edinburgh in August. The emblem of Scotland is the thistle. It is purple.
So you can show it to everybody.
It is purple and green, and it has thorns.
Very good.
The traditional clothes of Scotland are naked and shirts like mine, and the bagpipes. The patron of Scotland is St. Andrew, that is celebrated on the 30th of November.
Very good. Thank you very much. Let's go to Northern Ireland.
The capital of Northern Ireland is Belfast, and there are 1,937,837 inhabitants in Northern Ireland, and Northern Ireland is situated in the northwest of Ireland. There are some places we can visit in Belfast that are Londonderry and Lisburn, and the most important places to visit in Northern Ireland are Newton Abbey and Bangor. And one of the most important places to visit is the Giant Castle. The Giant Castle is an area of about 40,000.
Show it.
Is an area of about 40,000 intercalary columns, and the highest column is about 12 meters long.
Hi, very good.
The patron of Northern Ireland is St. Patrick. St. Patrick is celebrated in the 17th of March. It represents the national emblem. It represents like a shamrock. The shamrock represents that the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit are in the same body but are different people.
Thank you very much. Let's go back to the travel agency.
Very interesting. I have so much information in my mind that I think to think about. Thank you for your time. That's okay. That's okay. Let me when you decide. We will call you next week. Okay. Have a good afternoon. Bye bye.